Welcome back to the channel, guys. Ben Tucker with Muscle Car Central. We've loaded all of the extra parts for this 67 Camaro. We've got them on the trailer. Thanks to Owen and Rob and myself for pushing this car up. It is loaded, tied down. We're gonna head to Nicholasville, go see the EB Speed and Custom guys, see if they can finish this job for us. After checking out some of Jimmy and Seth's builds here at their shop.
Yeah, that's a sweet little car.
That's a real sweet little car.
I know that we have chosen the right guys to get this job done, make this car ready for the SEMA Show. Super excited.
This is pretty cool, Jimmy. This really is. Tell us about this one, man.
This is the wife's car. It's an 02 Firehawk TA. I think they went out like 1,500 of
They didn't make many of them all. There's a huge following for the Firehawks, too. I mean, they had some stupid motor in it, like...
It's LS1, the LS6 intake factory.
I mean, pretty good horsepower from the factory, though.
Yeah, they're 350, 360, somewhere in that area.
She cruise it ever?
6-speed. Yeah, we drive it.
This is like, you know, when I was in high school, that's the coolest car you could have had, you know.
That was supposedly the fastest production car in '89.
Exactly. Oh.
Grand Sport, it had the Grand National V6 put in there, so they make 55 of those. It's supposed to have 45,000 original miles on it, so.
Those seats are impossible to find. That is a clean piece. Just that dash little glove box leather thing, it's a treasure. So you're more of a Pontiac guy than a Chevrolet guy?
Pretty much strictly Pontiac.
I like it.
Probably got the building full of stuff for the last 40 plus years. Just old Pontiac blocks.
Oh gosh.
Inline 6 cylinders, overhead cam.
So how much horsepower does this thing have?
Dynoed 520 at the rear wheels.
That's more than you need.
6-speed, trim it.
You got it looking real pretty, man. What's this bad boy?
And this old boy here is the grandpa. I bought it in '87.
She a race car?
It was, yeah.
Look at them tires, man. That's a lot of beef under there, man. Sniper kit on there?
And it's the Sniper X-Flow, the bigger one. But it also has the Ram Air 4 round port, 722 heads on it.
Oh, jeez, man.
But
that's pretty, dude.
It's a 462. That's still pretty much how I raced it.
'69 400 car, original blue with blue vinyl top. That's a rare piece, man. I don't know how many they made of that, Jimmy, with the blue vinyl top, but not many. Well, this is basically your only stock almost car you probably got in.
Pretty much, yeah, besides the TA over there.
Dude, I mean, for you Firebird guys out there, 69 Firebirds are what people want. I mean, this is it. 400 cars, AC cars only had the baffles up there, you know, and it's a 400 AC car.
Yeah.
Deluxe interior, blue vinyl top. This car was loaded back in the day, man.
I've got THS papers on it, and it shows quite a bit of stuff.
I bet you, yeah, whoever ordered this would have probably got every option they could have back in the day, you know.
It's a pretty nice little car.
You put the seats in there, yeah.
These seats came from you guys.
Yeah.
The Pro Touring seats?
With the 68, 9.
Looks like you lowered your brackets too.
And that's a cold start. Damn.
Well, guys, I'm pretty dang excited. I hope you are too. EB Speed Shop is going to get this car done, ready for the SEMA Show. After checking out their shop, some of the builds they've done, we know we picked the right guys to do it, and I think you guys will love to follow along and see what they do to this car. So remember to hit that button below, subscribe and like. Stay tuned for more.